Today we're talking about nanotechnology in the animal kingdom, and we're going to be discussing the principles of friction and animals which exhibit this behavior and how it helps them survive, as well as how this relates to nanotechnology. So one of the laws of friction is the force of friction always acts in a direction opposite to that in which the body tends to move if the force of friction would have been absent. So, in simple terms, friction pushes back on the movement of two objects in contact with each other. And it's because of friction that we can move without sliding all over the place. So, it may be kind of hard to see, but you can see the pushing force and the friction are moving against each other because if the friction wasn't there, it would just keep going and never stop. So, an animal that exhibits friction is the mother of pearl moth caterpillar. So it uses its direction of movement and it anchors its tail and rolls itself to get away from its predator. So it uses friction in order to help itself roll away. And when it does this, it moves 40 times faster than it can go at a normal pace. So how it relates. Friction is an important property, both in nanotechnology and in nature. And it is used in locomotion of animals. So snakes use it, as I talked about, these little caterpillars use it. And so the little moth caterpillar uses a unique type of locomotion in order to get away from predators. In the textbook, it talked about that with really small things, objects experience a force where the attraction between the surfaces has more to do with the non-bonded interactions of atoms of the surface and the object rather than the weight. And so when the moth caterpillar rolls itself, it is using friction for its advantage, just like in nanotechnology, we use friction for our advantage. These are my sources. Thank you.